How to disable offload unused apps on your iPhone. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm your solution guy Bimal, and in today's guide video I will show you how you can disable the offloading unused apps on your iPhone. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now before we get started with this tutorial, you have to understand what offloading and what offloading unused apps especially mean. For example, if you have enabled offload unused apps, what it does is that whenever you don't use an app for a certain period of time, your iPhone is automatically going to offload that app, which means it is going to keep the data, but it is going to delete the application's main file, but it is not going to delete your data. And next time when you want to use that app, you simply have to tap on it, your iPhone will begin reinstalling the app, and then simply log in back into your account, and whatever data you had over there will not get deleted. That is basically what offloading is, and most people simply use this feature in order to save storage. But let's say you're annoyed by this feature, you're annoyed by having to reinstall applications whenever you actually offload the app. Well, in that case, you can also turn it off. So in that case, what you will do is simply start by launching this settings app on our iPhone. Once we launch our settings app, you can see that this is how it is going to look like. We have, first of all, let me show you. If I go to general and then if I go to iPhone storage, you'll be able to see a list of different applications over here. If I wanted to offload a particular app manually, I would tap on it. Then what I had to do was simply actually tap on the offload button. So I would tap on any of the app, then I would tap on the offload button in order to offload that particular app. But since this feature is already enabled by default, what we will do is come back to the main settings page, and we have to scroll down and look for the app called App Store. So as you can see right over here, it says App Store. I will simply tap on it. As soon as you tap on the App Store button, you have to scroll down to the very bottom of the screen, and you'll find this toggle where it says offload unused apps. If you read there, it says automatically remove unused apps but keep all documents and data. As I mentioned earlier, reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available on the App Store. So if you want to disable this feature, you have to turn off this toggle. If it is turned on, it is going to be highlighted in green, and if it is turned off, it is going to get basically grayed out. And this is how you can disable offload unused apps on your iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.